Welcome to A&M Tech. A&M Tech brings you another exciting collection of innovative products. Subscribe our channel for more videos. A flexible working environment allows you to have a better working experience. 10-in-1 standing desk has built-in power strip with 3 outlets and 6 USB ports. Under desk pull-out drawer. Lockable casters and more. Meet Dusk. The first pair of app-enabled, electrochromic, smart sunglasses. You can control the exact tint level of the lenses. Eating should be fun. Right? But have you ever tried to lose weight, build muscles or keep the pounds off while still enjoying every meal? It's annoying to keep track of your diet. So, what if there is a way to keep track of all your meal without any extra effort? Meet Nutrio. Nutrio is the world's first smart cutting board that can scan your food to keep track of your nutrition. According to statistics, the average time we spend on our phones is about 3 hours a day, not including work and studying. Too much screen time can result in digital eye strain, which can include burning, itchiness, headaches, fatigue, blurred or double vision, loss of focus, listlessness, and neck pain. Treat yourself to Eye Dear, the effective eye care solution. Eye Dear can relieve your eyes to the greatest extent, allowing you to easily eliminate fatigue and dark circles. The unique anti-blocking design allows you to work and rest simultaneously. Eye Dear can relieve your eyes by eliminating fatigue and dark circles. The unique design won't obscure your sight, which allows you to work and rest simultaneously. A window whose view is blocked by the next building, a room with just a tiny window, a windowless wall. How nice would it be if instead you could see a beach and a bright blue sky, a view of New York City at night, or a gentle rain to calm your mind? With Atmos Window, you can experience beautiful views you thought you never would. Atmos Window can help change your mood in a big way. Night driving can be a struggle for anyone. Darkness limits our vision. Landmoto Vast M1 Night Vision Dashcam offers ultimate night vision to make night driving as clear as day. Bird Buddy is the smart bird feeder that notifies you of feathered visitors, takes their photos, and organizes them in a beautiful collection to admire and easily share. Bird Buddy will notify you whenever a bird stops by. It's one of those rare notifications that actually makes you feel better, not worse. In order to make a simple cup of tea, you end up overfilling the kettle. This wastes energy and water and also means you have to wait longer for it to heat up. Mito is the game changer that goes beyond your normal kettle needs. You only have to heat the amount of liquid you need using whatever vessel you prefer. And it heats more than just water, it can also heat milk, soup and even more. Mito is a super adaptable device that can heat a variety of liquids directly in the vessel of your choice. Inspired by the 50s-70s Soviet Nixie tube clock, NextTube uses modern IPS screens to revive the beautiful warm orange glow of old tech, at the same time, shows you key metrics of modern life. You can use it to know the time, arrange your schedule, check the weather, track social media performance, visualize your favorite music, and light up your space.